Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best indoor smart bike trainer options deliver realistic resistance, app connectivity, and precise metrics to elevate performance and riding experience. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Thinkrider X2 Smart Bike Trainer. The Thinkrider X2 Smart Bike Trainer is a practical entry-level option for cyclists who want a stable and reliable indoor training experience without overspending. Built with a straightforward yet durable design, this trainer focuses on delivering consistent resistance and smooth operation for everyday workouts. Its X2 Max configuration ensures decent performance for structured training sessions, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate riders alike. The setup process is relatively simple, allowing users to quickly mount their bike and start riding without technical complications. While it may not include the most advanced smart features seen in premium trainers, it still supports essential connectivity for pairing with popular cycling apps, enabling users to track progress and stay motivated. The resistance feel is steady enough for endurance rides and moderate interval sessions, though elite riders may find it slightly limited for high-intensity simulations. Noise levels are manageable, making it a good fit for home environments. Overall, the Thinkrider X2 offers a solid balance between affordability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for riders transitioning from basic trainers to smart indoor cycling setups.
Number 2. Thinkrider XXPRO Smart Bike Trainer. The Thinkrider XXPRO Smart Bike Trainer stands out as a more advanced option in the Thinkrider lineup, offering enhanced features aimed at delivering a more immersive indoor cycling experience. One of its key highlights is the optional virtual transmission system, which allows riders to simulate real gear shifting when paired with the VS200 virtual shifting kit. This feature adds a layer of realism that many cyclists appreciate, especially those training for outdoor performance. The XXPRO is designed for riders who want more control over their workouts, supporting structured training programs and compatibility with leading cycling apps. Its build quality feels robust, ensuring stability during intense sessions such as sprints or climbs. The resistance system responds smoothly to changes in terrain or training intensity, making workouts feel more dynamic and engaging. While the virtual shifting kit is sold separately, it's a worthwhile upgrade for those seeking a next-level experience.
Number 3. CYCPLUS T2 Smart Bike Trainer. The CYCPLUS T2 Smart Bike Trainer is a feature-rich option designed for cyclists who prioritize versatility, portability, and modern connectivity. Its universal compatibility is a major advantage, supporting bikes with disc brakes and a wide range of through-axle sizes, making it suitable for most riders without requiring additional adapters. Weighing around 15 kilograms and featuring a built-in carry handle, the T2 is easy to move and store, which is ideal for users with limited space or those who frequently relocate their setup. The trainer excels in connectivity, offering both ANT+ FEC and Bluetooth 5.0 support for seamless integration with popular cycling apps and devices. Its BLDC motor, paired with 50 neodymium magnets, delivers a realistic riding feel with responsive resistance changes, closely mimicking outdoor cycling conditions. Additionally, the active cooling system ensures consistent performance during long or intense sessions by preventing overheating.
Number 4. Leg Trainer Smart Bike Trainer. The Leg Trainer Smart Bike Trainer is a compact and simplified fitness device designed primarily for light cardio and rehabilitation-focused exercise rather than traditional cycling training. Unlike full smart bike trainers, this model targets lower body movement through a pedal-based system that can be used while sitting, making it ideal for home, office, or recovery environments. Its lightweight and portable design allow users to easily place it under a desk or in small spaces, providing a convenient way to stay active throughout the day. The trainer focuses on basic cardiovascular activity, helping improve blood circulation, muscle engagement, and overall mobility. While it lacks advanced features like app connectivity, resistance simulation, or realistic cycling dynamics, it serves its purpose well for beginners, seniors, or individuals recovering from injury.
The build is simple but functional, and operation is straightforward with minimal setup required.
Number 5. GEOID VE200 Smart Bike Trainer. The GEOID VE200 Smart Bike Trainer is a high-performance indoor training solution designed for serious cyclists who demand precision, power, and advanced smart features. With a maximum power output of 2,000 watts and plus or minus 2% power accuracy, it delivers reliable data for structured training and performance tracking. The trainer supports up to 15% slope simulation, allowing riders to experience realistic climbing conditions during virtual rides. Its electromagnetic resistance system ensures smooth and responsive performance, adapting quickly to changes in terrain or workout intensity. Connectivity is a major strength, with support for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and heart rate bridging, along with compatibility with leading apps such as Zwift, TrainerRoad, and Rouvy. The noise level remains impressively low at under 56 decibels, making it suitable for indoor environments. Its sturdy steel construction and compatibility with a wide range of bike types and cassette systems add to its versatility. And that wraps up the top 5 best indoor smart bike trainer. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.